Namaste. I welcome you to Bhairavi Parekh's Yogshaala. Now, we do this in the lying down position on the back, holding this and open at the line of the chest and come back. This we are doing it in lying down position. Keep your feet parallel. दोनों हाथ ऊपर. And here you go. Inhale, you stretch it out. Exhale, you come up. 2 and back. Let's do this 20 counts. 3 and back. 4 back. 5 back. 6 inhale, exhale. 7 exhale. 8 exhale. 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and stay there on the count of 20. Stay. Breathe. And relax. Breathe nicely. Come back. अभी दोनों पैर अपने बैंड में ले लो. Please watch. अपना upper arm will be on the floor. Upper arm will not move. The legs are bent. Now slowly stretch and back. जितना हो सके उतना distance को कम कर दो. Feel the resistance, okay? It should not be easy cakewalk. And here you go. Inhale. Stretch your legs upward. Engage your core. And back. Legs bent. Upper arms on the floor. Inhale. Straighten it up. 2, 3, 4, 5 and back. Distance come karo if you are feeling it very easy and comfortable. Inhale. Up and back. And 4 and back. 5 back. 6 back. 7 back. 8 back. 9 back. 10 back.